Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah. So today I have a fun new stitch in store. I am going to teach you guys how to do this sort of 3D dimensional crocheted scarf pattern. This is one of the patterns I am doing for my Scarves for the Homeless challenge. If you guys saw my video last week either on TikTok or my YouTube channel, you would know that I am doing a challenge for myself to make at least 1 to 2 scarves a week to donate to the homeless. I'm doing this I started mid-July through November 1st. So I'm hoping to get hopefully 2, but at least 1 scarf done a week. And then I encourage you guys to join me to make scarves for the homeless or those in need in your own communities. So I hope you guys are participating and I hope to see some of your work. But let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So for this stitch, you will need to know how to do 3 stitches. You'll need to know how to single crochet, double crochet, and front post double crochet, which is what these stitches here are. They sort of pop up, they make it look 3-dimensional, so I'm calling this the 3-dimensional scarf pattern. The only thing you guys really need to know other than those 3 stitches, and if you don't know how to do those, you can go visit my YouTube channel. I do have videos on how to do all 3 of those stitches, is it does need to be a multiple of 6. That's the only rule for this, is you do need to make it in chains of 6. So if all that means, if you don't know what multiple of 6 means, is you're just going to chain 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, however wide you want your project. I think I did 24 for this one, but I can't remember for sure. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Now I'm just going to work on the one I've already started, but I will tell you that this project also, I forgot to say, this does have what they call a prep row or a starter row that's not included in the pattern. So what you'll want to do, like you can see down here, is the first row is all double crochet. So you'll want to chain your multiple of 6. Then you want to do a double crochet in the 5th chain from your hook. So you'll count back 5 and then you'll double crochet in that and all the way across. So that's like your prep row. You do need to do that before you get started in the pattern. Other than that, the pattern's a 2-row repeat. So let's go ahead and get started here. Chain 1 up into my row. Okay, so this is the repeat. So the first row, you're going to single crochet in the first 3 stitches. So very simple, very easy. You're just going to single crochet, excuse me. You're going to single crochet the first 3 stitches. Then the next 3 stitches, you can see, are your front post double crochets. So just a quick recap: to do a front post double crochet, you yarn over, and I'm going to stick my hook in behind this post and pull up a stitch. And now I have 3, so then I work my double crochet like normal. So you're crocheting around the posts instead of the top of the stitch. So you're going to do that a total of 3 times. And if you need refreshers, like I said, go visit my channel on YouTube. I've got lots of videos on how to do these different stitches. And then we're going to repeat that again. So we're going to single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to do another 3 front post double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And that's your repeat across the row. So you do 3 single crochets, 3 front post double, 3 single, 3 front post double. So I'll go ahead and pause here and I will meet you guys at the end of your row. Okay guys, I'm just about the end of my row here. I'm just doing my last 3 single crochets. And then you want to chain 1 and turn your work. So flip it around. So this is the back. Back doesn't look as pretty as the front. You can obviously tell the difference because the stitches are a little bit different textured, but there is a right side and a wrong side to this. And now row 2, all you're going to do is single crochet across the row. That's it. So we don't do anything fancy. We're just going to single crochet all the way across. And this will probably be a scrappy scarf. I don't have a lot of this color, but I'll probably do little blocks of color throughout. And I think I counted my scarves, and I found some more that I didn't show you guys in last week's video that I had made that I forgot I'd made a long time ago, so I will include those in there as well. So I think I've got about maybe 8 or 10 scarves done. I've got quite a few, more than I thought I had. Okay, we're at the end of row 2, and now we're going to repeat row 1 again. So chain 1 and turn, and then all you're going to do is single crochet 3, front post 3, single crochet 3, front post 3. And that's it, guys. Just a really simple, easy 2-row repeat, and you get this lovely 3D sort of ribbed scarf. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already or follow me on social media, please check me out at boho_stitchery. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.